Creating a professional YouTube banner in minutes is now possible with the help of AI, making channel branding faster and easier than ever. Start by opening your browser and searching for Ideogram AI. Then open the website and set the image ratio to 16:9 so the banner fits perfectly for YouTube. Write a detailed prompt describing the banner style you want, including colors, theme, text style, and overall layout. For even better results, you can also upload a reference banner to guide the AI's design direction. Once everything is ready, submit the prompt and allow the AI a short moment to generate designs automatically. Ideogram creates multiple banner variations, giving you different creative options to choose from. Review the generated banners, select the one that best matches your channel's identity, and simply download it with a single click. This AI-powered workflow helps creators design clean, professional YouTube banners quickly without needing graphic design skills or complex software, making high-quality channel branding accessible to everyone.